Today I'm going to show you some of the things you can do with BluePoint Security Enterprise Edition. I'm going to show you a couple of demonstrations with an end user's machine. This is all in a lab environment, just to give you an idea of some of the power of our management console. So let's go ahead and take a look at this agent right here. So our mock end user here actually has BearShare installed, which is a pretty popular file sharing app. So let me show you some of the things you can do. So for one thing, we can come over under Application Control, and we're actually going to scroll down to Music Lab, and then we're going to see BearShare here. So we see the applications across our entire network. So this is an aggregate list across all of our BluePoint agents. So this essentially gives me some good visibility of what's out there, as well as giving me the ability to do something about it. When it was first seen on my network, when it was last seen, I can right-click an app and do Show Users, and this will actually show me who has that particular app and who was logged in at the time the app was first discovered. Some of the other things I can do under Application Control, I can come in here and add to Denied List and add to Allowed List. We'll go over that in just a few minutes. Terminate Application Globally, one of my favorite options. That is basically a big End Task button for your entire network. So if you see something here in this list when you're first setting up BluePoint that you don't like, and you're going through and making your allow and deny policies, you can actually terminate it. So let's go ahead and do that. Keep in mind, on our end user's machine, the app is up and running. Let's go ahead and terminate it globally. It's going to ask you to confirm, somewhat of a dangerous option. You want to make sure what you're not terminating Outlook or something like that. You'll have some angry users. So let's go ahead and click yes. And there you go. So that kicks the user out of the app basically in real time. You can see it's gone, app's not running. So now the second thing you'll want to do, as you can see, right now it's not color coded. So we're going to create a rule, add to denied list. Now you can apply this deny rule or an allow rule to an Active Directory group, an Active Directory user, or a BluePoint group. And BluePoint groups are just custom groups that you can create yourself. So let's go ahead and apply this globally. And now we've applied that rule. So you can see now that item turns red. So anytime you make decisions on software in your environment, it stays color-coded permanently. So for example, Logitech, we're going to say Logitech is okay in our environment globally. Done. So you can see it's very easy. You have a lot of power, which is point and click essentially. So this is how you would go about setting your policies and locking down your environment. Now under ActiveX control, this is pretty unique to our software. You're actually going to see every single ActiveX item in your environment. So browser helper objects, browser toolbars, things like that. You can essentially deny these individually as well. So if you didn't like the Yahoo toolbar for whatever reason, it's just the same. You would come in here. Whoops, I added an allow. Deny. And we are denied. So that would prevent the Yahoo toolbar from ever loading or being installed on an end user's machine. So why do we want to do this? Well, what we're trying to do is give you the visibility in your environment so you know what's out there first of all. So you know what's installed in your environment. The second thing we're trying to do is give you some control over that information. So what you can do is go through this list and make your allow and your deny decisions, and what you end up with is an environment that is only allowed to run approved software. Well, why would you want to do that? If you look at the incidents in the news and things like that, with the Aurora incident and things like that, whatever name we throw on malware, spyware, trojans, rootkits, at the end of the day they're all binaries, or they're all applications that were in an environment they shouldn't have been in the first place. So our software gives you the ability to sort of take control of your environment and prevent those type of incidents. Also prevents users from installing random applications and things like that. So we're going to do a part 2. Go ahead and check out the next video in the series of controlling your environment with BluePoint Security Enterprise Edition. Thanks for watching.